Hello students, I hope your NEET preparations are going on fine. Let us discuss some questions which appeared in the NEET exam in the previous years. Which of the following is not an endocrine gland? Sebaceous gland is not an endocrine gland. So the answer is option C. This gland secretes oil or sebum. It's present on the skin. Hyperglycemic hormone is insulin. Insulin always reduces the blood glucose level, whereas glucagon increases the blood glucose level. So supposing the question was hyperglycemic, you would have given glucagon, but since it is asked hypo, your answer would be insulin. Conn syndrome is characterized by all the options are true. So my answer would be all of these. That is, they exhibit muscular weakness, hypertension, retention of sodium, and this syndrome is caused because of excess secretion of aldosterone. Aldosterone is secreted by adrenal gland, which is an inhibitory hormone of growth hormone. The answer would be somatostatin. Somatostatin is otherwise called growth hormone inhibiting hormone. So since this hormone is going to behave antagonistic or does not allow the functioning of growth hormone, it is going to facilitate negative feedback mechanism. So the answer is option B. Which one of the following is called interspecific? Inter means between two animals. So the answer would be pheromone. Pheromones are similar to hormones, but they will act on another animal. So that's why it is interspecific. Whereas all the other three are part of hormones, and how hormones are intraspecific. They act within the body of an individual. Prostaglandin, corticotrophin, catecholamine, all these are hormones. Yes, prostaglandins are actually active lipid compounds. Tetraiodothyronin. This is the other name for thyroxine. Option D is your answer. Tetraiodo, so T4. Graves' disease is caused due to the hyposecretion of thyroid, hyposecretion of adrenal, hypersecretion of adrenal, hypersecretion of thyroid. So the last one is the right option. When there is too much of thyroxine, then this disease occurs. So option would be D, hypersecretion of thyroid gland. Functions of thyroid hormone. Yes, they play a role in fat and protein metabolism. They maintain the IQ and BMR, that is intelligence quotient and basal metabolic rate. Both are true. A and B are true. Even D is true, thermoregulation. So, which is the only function that thyroid does not do here? It is maintaining blood calcium level, which is done by calcitonin, a hormone produced by parathyroid gland. Which of the following hormone produces anti-inflammatory reaction, suppresses immune response, stimulates RBC production, and is also involved in maintaining cardiovascular system and kidney functions? See, we get the clue here itself, anti-inflammatory. The most potent anti-inflammatory hormone is cortisol. Of course, cortisol does all these functions too, that is maintain cardiovascular system, increase RBC production. So we go with option C. Hypothalamus is helpful in sleep, has a center for thirst and hunger. It is involved in controlling body temperature. All the functions it does. So our answer would be D, all of these. Which of the following two hormones have antagonistic effects? The option is A, parathormone and calcitonin. Parathormone and calcitonin both are produced by parathyroid, but they have opposite effects. One will be for positive and the other for negative feedback mechanism. Moving on to the next, which of the following is related to obesity, high plasma sodium, high potassium and increased blood sugar? If you look at all these symptoms are together a collection which is exhibited by people suffering from Cushing's syndrome. Yes, so Cushing's syndrome, which is nothing but excess of cortisol. It results in these symptoms. So our answer would be option B, cortisol. Source of somatostatin is the same as that of insulin and glucagon. That is the right answer, because insulin is produced by beta cells of pancreas and glucagon is produced by alpha cells of pancreas, that is especially the islets of Langerhans, and somatostatin is produced by delta cells of islets of Langerhans. So since all are produced from islets of Langerhans, we go with the option A. Which ovarian hormone is proteinaceous? Relaxin is proteinaceous. The rest are all steroid derivatives. Mostly sex hormones are steroids. So we go with the answer relaxin. Which of the following statements is false about diabetes? So diabetes, when cells fail to pick up glucose from blood, or when blood has excess glucose, or when there is a deficiency of insulin, all these are true. So the first three options are true for diabetes. Hence we go with the option D. This is wrong. More sugar is burnt in the body of a diabetic than of a normal person. 15th one, an overdose of intravenous insulin may lead to the death of an individual. So here this overdose will lead to the death only if there is an excessive decrease of blood glucose. Option B would be the right answer. Excessive decrease is because insulin is supposed to reduce the blood glucose level. So we go with option B. What is true about neurohypophysis? It stores and releases neurohormones secreted by hypothalamus. This is the right answer. Neurohormones, yes, they are stored and released. Gall's disease is related to deficient working of thyroid gland. So thyroid gland, when thyroxine level is less. Okay, so this disease is also called myxoedema. Gall's disease is also called myxoedema. Immune disease in which body destroys the ill-functioning thyroid is called Hashimoto's disease. Hashimoto's disease will be when your own immune system is against this. Hypersecretion of cortisol produces a disease known as Cushing's syndrome. Now only we discussed about this Cushing's syndrome, the symptoms. I said that it results in excess of high sodium, high potassium, and then obesity, and also increased blood sugar level. Who gave the molecular structure of thyroxine hormone? The answer is Barrington and Barger. Goodernach, he studied about metamorphosis in invertebrates. Kendall is a physicist. Cannon is also another physiologist. So all these three will not come under this, but the molecular structure was synthesized by these two people, Harrington and Barger. A globular protein made up of 188 amino acids and secreted by anterior pituitary. Now if you look at all these hormones, prolactin, it has around 194 to 199 amino acids. So this cannot be the answer. Progesterone again is a steroid hormone. So it cannot have amino acids. ACTH, it has only 39 amino acids. So we go with the first option, growth hormone. Hormones of posterior lobes of pituitary are peptides. Yes, they have the amide group CONH bond. So they are peptides. Posterior lobe of the pituitary is called neurohypophysis. Neurohormones are secreted. How many of these are peptide hormones? All the 10 are peptide. So your answer is option D. Erythropoietin, gastrin, secretin, CCK, insulin, glucagon. CCK is nothing but cholecystokinin, parathyroid hormone, atrial natriuretic factor, thymosin, gastroinhibitory peptide, all are peptide hormones. Pick out the incorrect statement. Vasopressin is an antidiuretic hormone. It is correct. ADH is vasopressin. LH and ICSH are same. Correct. Interstitial cell stimulating hormone or luteinizing hormone. Both are same. Glucagon is a catabolic hormone. Yes, it brings about glycogenolysis. So your option would be B. Sex hormones are proteins in nature. Which one is not a placental hormone? We know that melatonin is secreted by pineal body. So option D would be the correct answer. Human chorionic gonadotrophin. This is human placental lactogen. So our option would be answer D. Contraction of smooth muscles of arterioles is influenced by. Here the answer would be ADH, that is vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone. That is the answer. The person showing low basal metabolic rate possibly will be suffering from Hashimoto's disease. In Hashimoto's disease, no, I'm sorry. The person showing low BMR possibly will be suffering from cretinism. Yes, cretins are those people who have very less thyroxine in their body. So that is why their basal metabolic rate is low. Human chorionic gonadotrophin is secreted by placenta. HCG is secreted by placenta. We know that corpus luteum exists only during pregnancy. Chorion and amnion are extra embryonic layers surrounding the embryo. The function of the pineal body is to, all the three are functions of the pineal body. Lighten the skin color, control sexual behavior, regulate the period of puberty. All are true. So option D is the answer. Which is an aminated hormone? Aminated hormone means amino group. NH2 group. Which hormone has? If you look at all the hormones given below, estrogen, progesterone, all these are steroid hormones. Yes. So our answer would be relaxin. Relaxin is the right answer. Thank you, students. We'll discuss the rest of the questions in the next class.